Meghan Markle and Prince Harry's bombshell Oprah interview reportedly would not have aired as planned if Prince Philip's health took a serious turn for the worse. Gayle King, who is a friend of Oprah's and of Meghan and Harry's, suggested on her SiriusXM radio show Gayle King in the House last week that there were plans to postpone the interview should Harry's grandfather pass away. The 99-year-old was admitted to the hospital on February 16th and stayed there for nearly a month, undergoing a heart procedure and getting treated for an infection while there. When a caller into the program questioned the timing of the interview, which coincided with Philip's hospital stay, Gayle said, quote, "Well, just so you know, they had done that interview before Prince Philip went into the hospital. If something, God forbid, had happened to him, the interview would not have run at this particular time. But the interview was done and was scheduled before he went into the hospital. But, you know, a lot of people have raised that point." Fortunately, Philip was discharged from the hospital this week. Buckingham Palace announced in a statement, in part, His Royal Highness wishes to thank all the medical staff who looked after him at both King Edward VII's Hospital and St. Bartholomew's Hospital, and everyone who has sent their good wishes. Gayle has shared other big pieces of information about Meghan and Harry's interview since it aired earlier this month. On CBS This Morning, she revealed that Harry broke the ice with some of his family members this past weekend.
And I think it's frustrating for them to see that it's a racial conversation about the royal family when all they wanted all along was for the royals to intervene and tell the press to stop with the unfair, inaccurate, false stories that definitely have a racial slant. And until you can acknowledge that, I think it's going to be hard to move forward. But they both want to move forward with this. And they both want, they want healing in this family.
It was also on CBS This Morning that Oprah told Gayle that neither Prince Philip nor Queen Elizabeth were the members of the royal family that made a comment about Archie's skin color.
He did not share the identity with me, but he wanted to make sure that I knew, and if I had an opportunity to share it, that it was not his grandmother nor his grandfather that were a part of those conversations.
That it was not his grandmother and Prince Philip, you said?
Yeah,
was not
his
a part.
grandfather. Neither his grandmother nor grandfather were a part of those conversations. He did not tell me who were a part of those conversations.
Right.
As you can see, I tried to get that answer.
Yeah.